Every strategy suitability index is a score out of 100. The higher the score, the more suitable the property market is for that strategy. The discount strategy is a score given to a property market to indicate its potential to buy properties at significant discounts to the advertised price. This is not a strategy we recommend. High discounting is a sign of a market under duress. These are typically not good markets to invest in, but some investors insist on pursuing bargains, so here it is. Now, every strategy suitability index at its core is based on the demand to supply ratio. However, the final score has been adjusted to favour markets more likely to deliver on this specific strategy. Now, the discount strategy suitability index prioritises some statistics over others to help identify markets in which discounts might be more prevalent. Obviously, a market in which properties are regularly being heavily discounted is a market in which vendors are open to negotiation. Markets with high discounting are usually in a state of oversupply relative to demand. And to combat this negative, it is vital to have other statistics that support a healthy market. And the DSR is the best overall indicator of this. Now, entering a market in a poor state of demand and supply may not be so bad if the market is showing signs of bottoming. So the market cycle timing metric is given higher importance. A high ripple effect potential score adds weight to the chances of a market about to turn a corner. It may still be a tough time for vendors to sell, but if there is strong ripple effect, some growth might be on the horizon. A rise in sales growth could also represent the end of a bad period for sellers. So the percentage of sales growth is also tweaked to be a little more influential. A rise in the popularity of a market is first felt in rents increasing. So percentage rent growth is also a metric given higher weighting. And being able to buy at discount and then see the market improve is a key to this strategy.